To replace the engine filter, what you need to do here is you need to remove this clip here, and once you get those two clips off, we're gonna also take off this right here. So squeeze on this. So what we're gonna do is you want to pull this a bit forward so this comes out of this little retainer, and once it comes out of that little retainer, you should be able to lift this up. And this is gonna break in half from here. Not break, I don't mean like physically break, but it's gonna come apart just like that, and this should slip right out. And your air filter housing right here is gonna release open. Your filter comes out. If you see a lot of dirt and debris in there, leaves and stuff, remove them, vacuum them if you want. But let's take out our new filter. Okay, I'm gonna show you the part number once we're done. So top bottom is the same thing, no difference there. We're gonna drop this baby in. Okay, so we're gonna drop it this way. Seems, and then you put your clips in, and you're gonna get this baby to slide right through. Oh, come on. Okay, once the two lips are caught, oh God. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go a little bit below. Okay, there you go. It's in. Okay, there you go. Bang, zoom, you're all done. So the part number, manufactured by Napa, that's the filter, gold, and that's the part number. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one.